Number 2, and the power of pears. In a sunny meadow, a cheerful character named Number 2 woke up and stretched both her arms wide. "Good morning, world," she chirped. "I'm Number 2, and I love things that come in pairs." She looked around and smiled. 2 butterflies with matching wings danced in the air. 2 fluffy clouds floated side by side in the big blue sky. By her door, a pair of shoes waited patiently, ready for an adventure. "Ha!" Number 2 giggled. "Everything is better when there are 2. Number 2 walked by a calm pond and peeked over the edge. She saw her own reflection looking back at her. "Wow!" she exclaimed. "There are 2 of me and my reflection." Her reflection smiled back. As she skipped along a path, she saw 2 playful kittens chasing a ball of yarn together. Then she spotted a sleepy owl in a tree, blinking its 2 big round eyes. A beautiful butterfly fluttered past. "A butterfly needs 2 wings to fly," she thought, "and I need 2 feet to dance." She twirled around happily, spinning in pairs of steps. Left, right, left, right. Suddenly, Number 2 saw a tiny mouse crying near a stream. A small bridge made of a single twig had broken in half. "Oh no," squeaked the mouse. "I can't get across." "Don't worry, little one," Number 2 said kindly. "We'll do it together. 2 is stronger than 1. She held out her hand to the small mouse. Together, they hopped from one rock to another until they reached the other side safely. "Thank you," chirped the mouse. "You're my best friend." Number 2 smiled. That's what 2 is all about, friendship and teamwork. As the sun began to set, 2 birds flew home together across the colorful sky, and 2 stars began to twinkle side by side. Number 2 learned that while 1 is wonderful, 2 is magic, because life is always better when you share it.